alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about psychological leadership presence. Leadership begins before words. Presence communicates first. Posture signals confidence, stillness signals control. Strong leadership manages perception. Weak leadership says approval. The room observes energy. Energy reveals certainty. Calm thinking creates clear decisions. Clear decisions build trust. Never react immediately. Observation precedes strategy. Let others reveal their position. Patience uncovers information. Influence grows through composure. Composure stabilizes authority. Speak only when the direction is clear. Silence protects judgment. Measured voices carry weight. Uncontrolled voices lose credibility. Psychological presence shapes outcomes. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.